This is the Cuisinart Smart Stick rechargeable cordless handheld blender. Has lots of great features and functions. Right here you'll notice this is the lock unlock feature. Next down here, this will let you know that your power's on when I press it and that's charged. And this here where the blue light is the speeds, and you have 5 speed settings, variable. They go up and down by just pressing that. To start the handheld blender, you have to press down the lock unlock button along with the power button at the same time. And then it runs. If you try to press it without holding down the lock unlock, it will not turn on. So keep that in mind when you use it. In the back here, this is your release button. This is when you want to remove any accessory. You press that and you pull it up and it removes. The first accessory here is the blending shaft with 3-inch blade guard and bell-shaped guard. It also is stainless steel. This is great when you're going to do it. We're going to use this in a little bit to make a smoothie, but you can put this right in the beaker and use it to go up and down. You can take this right to the stove, to a pot, blend your soup or sauces. It's really convenient and easy to use. It also, when fully charged, it can run for 20 minutes, which is a very long time. This is your charger that you use, and in the back here, this is where you plug it in before you plug it into the wall, or plug it into the wall and then plug it in here. And then make sure you follow the instructions on how to charge it. Next is our whisk attachment. This is great for meringues or making any kind of whipped topping. It's made out of stainless steel. It has a wide balloon shape, nice fine tine, so it's really good at adding air into whatever you're trying to mix. So this is your adapter for your electric knife. You just engage this by pressing down the button and pushing into place. This is your unlock button, and what happens is you use this along with the on button in the back, and that is what allows you to run the knife. So you have to, it's a special feature that won't allow you to do it unless both are engaged. So to put in the blade, this has a sheath on it. So always hold it by the gray part. You just slip it in like this. I'm just going to take this off really quick and show you how it works. You, like I mentioned, you push this forward and you press down at the same time. And you can use the electric knife to cut meats. It's a great extra accessory to have. To remove the blades, you push this in and you pull out. We're just going to put those down. And then we're going to remove the adapter. So next what I'm going to show you, this is the chopper that comes with your handheld blender. It has a blade here which is reversible. One side is sharp, the other side is dull, and you use those depending on what type of food you're chopping. This is great for small food prep tasks such as onions, or if you want to just mix up a little bit of salsa, guacamole, anything like that. It's a really great size. It's 4 cups. So the other thing I want to show you is this is your storage container. It's great because it unzips and you can put everything, all your accessories inside. So it's really great and convenient, and it's terrific to keep all your accessories safe and neat, and you know where everything is at any time you want to use it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the beaker that comes with the product. This is 4 cups, and we're going to make a smoothie. So first we're going to attach the blending shaft, and this is really simple and easy to do. We're going to put all the ingredients in. Fresh strawberries. These are frozen blueberries, and that helps keep your drink nice and cold. Next, the banana, the mint, the water to help it blend, and then lastly, cranberry juice. And then we're just going to use the handheld blender and mix it up really quick and easily. Remember, to turn it on, you need to press the lock and the power button. And then once you get started, once you have it on, you can take your finger off the power button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove this by pressing the button in the back like I showed you. And I'm just going to put it in here so we don't make a mess on the counter. And I'm just going to show you how beautifully blended this is. It was so simple and easy. It's a beautiful, healthy smoothie. It's packed with antioxidants and your servings of fruit. It couldn't be easier with this handheld Cuisinart Smart Stick cordless rechargeable hand blender.